So I'll be back again with another video.
My style, untouchable when I'm in my zone, I'm gone.
Alright y'all, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this product that I just found on Amazon. Bada bing, bada boom. Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. Shine and protects. And I came across a comment, one of this user on YouTube, and he said that this brand right here actually works. And he's been in the automotive business for like over 10 years, and this is what he used. And a whole bunch of other comments, you know, follow up, and they was like, yeah, this is legit, it works, blah, 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 blah. And I was like, you know what, let me give it a try. Went on Amazon, picked this up for 10 bucks, and let's see if it's true or not. Even the reviews on Amazon said it worked as well. So I got Amazon reviews saying it works, and I got YouTube reviews saying it works. So I wanted to try it out for myself. There she is. Those are my headlights on my 2004 Honda Civic. As you can see, it is anodized as heck. It is foggy as heck. Yeah, man. This is Mobby, by the way. That's what I named her. I'm going to be testing this product on 3 different vehicles, all right? Number 1, number 2 is a Honda Accord 2014. This one is my girlfriend's car. As you can see, it's pretty bad. So I'm going to see if it works on this. And of course, you already know my baby, the Mero. Her name is Marie. As you can see, fog lights are pretty hazy on one side. The other one's okay. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. So I just got done masking the headlights. I used painter's tape, got it at the Dollar Tree. Most of these things I got from the Dollar Tree except for these 2 right here. All right, so first thing what you guys want to do is clean your headlights with some soapy water. I have right here, I'm using baby shampoo, so you know it's not going to damage your car. Mix that with some water, and there you go, your soapy water. I got soapy water from Chris Fix, but this one I got it from Reddit. Then using baby shampoo. You can use any type of baby shampoo as long as you do a quick Google search to see if it's okay for like paints and stuff like that. But a lot of DIYers, they said that's pretty good. Went with this alcohol right here. This is the only one they had, but I'm pretty sure this is okay. You just needed to wipe off the excess dirt and stuff like that to have a cleaner finished look. And you already seen earlier, I got my product, the main product right here, and also some clear coats. Been had this for a long time now. It's a gloss crystal clear. It says non-yellowing, you know, and it's good for metals, wood, and plastic and more. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be okay. If not, leave a comment down below. Use any type of clear coat you guys are comfortable with. This is what I have for now, so I'm gonna use it, and it's okay. My car is like it's a project car anyway, so I'm not really too worried about damaging the headlights, you know what I'm saying? If anything, I'll just replace it. It's not that expensive, I believe. I hope so. I hope not. And yeah, you just need some towels to wipe off everything and your rags, clean rags, okay? The next step is gonna be IPAing it, the whole thing, so I'm gonna alcohol wipe it, and after that, I'm gonna be buffing it out with this polisher. I also bought, dang, I got everything everywhere. Don't judge me, y'all. I bought an orbital buffer during Prime Day for like 40 bucks. It got my color, and it's also wireless or cordless, whatever you guys want to call it. Not too bad. It comes with 2 batteries. And yeah, I'm gonna use this, try to buff it all out. If not, then I'll just use it by hand. It doesn't really matter. It's okay. And we'll get back to that. But after I use that, I'm gonna hit it with some clear coat. So hopefully this works. Let's get it. Look how dirty that was. Gross. How does it look, y'all? I can't really tell from here, but it's just a quick hand wipe. But I'm gonna use the orbital buffer and see how that goes. Bro, to be honest, I think this is gonna be overkill. For example, on my Mero, look at that, doesn't even fit. I'm gonna have to get like a smaller one on this. I mean, it works for this. I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to like cover the whole thing, like a trash bag or some newspaper or something. All right, back into the office. So what I did was I took that big foam and I just cut it into 4s, just like that, and just place it right in the middle. If you do this, just be careful when you're using this. Make sure to keep it flat as possible, and make sure it doesn't, you don't go wobbly like that. Just try to keep it as center as possible, and yeah, you should be all right. If not, then just buy one of those the smaller pads, place it on. I have a whole bunch of these, so I'm not tripping. And also I got some newspaper. I already newspapered it down. Let's go check it out. So that's how it looks like. I know, kind of tacky, but hey, gotta make it work somehow, right? Okay, let's hit it. I'm gonna be putting this on the lowest settings. Let's get it. All right, then you're gonna let it sit there for like probably a minute or two, and then we're gonna wipe it off and see how she looks. In the meantime, I'm gonna hit this side too. All right, let's give it a wipe. Nothing. Gonna put some alcohol on it. Okay, y'all, here's an update. I could see that it's clearer than before, but it's still really yellow. I don't know if there's anything that can help with that besides replacing it, but check this out. My dumbass didn't do a before and after on this one, but it's clear as day. That thing really worked, man. Look at it, side by side. Ooh, it's so embarrassing, but damn. Clear as day. I used the orbital buffer on this one right after I did this one, and this one came out so nice. Look at that. Wow. This one, I think it's a lost cause. I don't know. I'm gonna hit it again just to see. For this product, I think it's worth it, bro. I think it does actually work. All right, hers is not too bad, so I think it's gonna work more better. Same thing with Madi right here. Hers is gonna be a little difficult to do. I'm gonna have to tape off everything just so it doesn't get onto the paint and stuff. But the last thing I gotta do with this one is hit it with the clear coat, and I'm gonna call it a day with that. But damn, look at that. Day and night. Yeah, buddy. All right, last step, hit it with the clear coat. Your safety goggles on. I'm gonna do this one instead because this one I still gotta redo it, but I'll get back to it. So what you want to do is take this evenly across. See? Just let it sit for a little bit, wipe it down, and yeah. Damn, look at it. She's shining. I don't think you gotta put too much. This one looks a little bit hazy though, compared to this one. Maybe I hit a little bit too much on this. Dang it, lesson learned. All right, y'all, check this out. Y'all ready? Bam! Whoa, before it was hella yellow. Now it's just semi-yellow. Can't do nothing about that. But check this one out, boy. I got pictures, don't worry. I got the before and afters. But look at that one. Clear as day. So I would say the product does work right here. It actually works, man. A quick fix, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm gonna work on this one and I'll let y'all know. You feel me? Let's get it. All right, this is the aftermath. Not too bad, but it does have these markings. I forgot what those are called. I think we're gonna have to sand it down somehow. All in all, it looks pretty good, man. That one's the Honda Accord. And for the middle right here, not too shabby. This one's very clear. It's always the left side, I don't know why. But yep, that's the product. I think it works. Thumbs up for me.